Welcome to Williamsburg Bites Food Tour. From the most populated borough in New York City, Like a Local Tours gives you an exclusive food tour through the historic neighborhood of Williamsburg, Brooklyn. This walking food tour gives you a glimpse into the history of Williamsburg while taking in the beautiful Brooklyn views of Manhattan and Williamsburg itself. Williamsburg is a highly populated area covered with beautiful street art and lively culture. Soak in the culture and cuisines while you enjoy a beautiful walk around the neighborhood.